Week 30, day 5, we are focused on designing for error messages and in many ways feedback messages, so supportive messages around interactions. And day 5 is about a system error message. And so a lot of times when these come up, it's because there is a connectivity development or logical error somewhere within the software, and typically it's going to be on the back end. Maybe you sent something out to process, and for some reason it lost connectivity and can't reconnect and get the information back. It could be that there's a challenge in your technical platform and the software wasn't anticipating it, and so just sort of breaks it. Maybe your browser's not updated to the level that it needs to in order to be supported by the web applications. There are a number of reasons that these will occur, but ultimately what you hope to do is provide users with information about the problem, why it happened, and maybe suggest possible resolution steps. And sometimes that would be how to remedy the issue with the software itself, and sometimes that may be just finding a way to get that work done without the software at that time. Maybe it is a form with a municipality and you're paying your bill and it says, you know what, this is broken, but how about instead call customer service and you can resolve your issue that way. You can pay your bill that way. So in this particular challenge, just redesign a system error message for clarity. And sometimes these error messages are really basic. Something's broken and we're not sure what it is. Systems break unexpectedly and you have to accommodate for them. Sometimes they're specific, but make it very human, make it actionable, make it easy to understand. I would say always consider the context of the person experiencing it. That paying a bill with the municipality and you're paying it's a water bill, you're paying it on the last day of the month and the system breaks. The person's already stressed out, and then how do you make it the best experience for them while they're attempting to do this, allow them to accomplish their task, while also making it so that if they don't need to panic about it, they understand that. The output here should just be before and after examples, or just an example of how it might fit and describing the context in which it fits. But it will be that system error message in maybe a laid out version of it. And then once you think through what sort of system error message you want to address, is relatively straightforward. And that concludes day 5. I hope you had fun with these as individual tasks or as a comprehensive week-long opportunity to add error messaging and system feedback to your design system. And we will see you on week 31.